Good evening and welcome to the news. First, the headlines. Meghalaya Congress holds silent protest in Shillong. Members of Goa Zila Panchayat visits Shillong to study the functioning of ADCs. Out of 365, only 77 displaced Manipuris still residing in Shillong. And IIM Shillong keen on partnering with traditional bodies for job creation. The news in detail. In line with the Indian National Congress, the Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee MPCC held a silent protest on Wednesday at Congress Bhavan in Shillong to condemn the conviction and disqualification of their leader Rahul Gandhi as Member of Parliament. The protest was led by MPCC Chief Vincent H. Pala. During the meeting, the party also discussed about ways to strengthen the party ahead of Lok Sabha polls next year.
We are very confident of retaining the Shillong seat. We have our MP here, Honorable President, who is also DMP. We are very 100% sure that we will retain the seat because I think you look at the other two states' election, Himachal Pradesh and Karnataka, where the Prime Minister, the Home Minister, the President of the BJP spent weeks, months to campaign, but they were defeated because we could not take the voice of the people for granted. We cannot take the people for granted. So we are very certain that even in the country, this will be the same.
Delegates from Goa Zila Panchayat visited the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council KHDC on Tuesday, where they interacted with the members of the KHDC to understand the powers and functions of the KHDC. Chief Executive Member of the KHDC, Pinyait Singh's aim, said the interaction with the delegation was fruitful. The delegates are in Shillong for the study tour. They studied various developmental projects undertaken by the autonomous district councils here. The members will review what they study and will come up with suggestions for their state government accordingly.
Kikwa ban tip kam benya habide ka rukom penyak kam gajungi hapok council but habide bakariti dustur ke kita ki bor neni kita ki powers and function kiba ka district council gajungi ka pej ka lumthup lani ka kudup ka pej namta ka sinshar khadar ka pej namta ka it ka hima ka pej namta ka kibabun bhaki benta ka ba haka hakanika kamjongka KHDC te nakaliang jungki ki penpau ya ka jingkemen hadin bangi la yo ban ya kendo bat ki bat ngiyo eka interaction discussion ka balong sultanat ka ba seiso ngiru ngitip khambha shapang ka sinshar khadar hangthi lingba kini ki zila panchayat council bat kiru kitip khambha shapang jungi ka Khasi Hills.
The East Khasi Hills District Administration on Tuesday informed that out of the 365 registered Manipuris who migrated to Shillong, only 77 of them are still residing in the city, while the rest have moved to several places across the northeast and the country. Deputy Commissioner of East Khasi Hills, RM Kurba, said that with assistance from the respective Darbar Shnongs, the police and the district administration, the majority of the migrants from Manipur have moved to Aizawl. Some left for either Delhi or Bangalore, and there are a few who have moved back to Manipur. As of May 6th, the Evangelical Baptist Convention Church and Chin Baptist Association confirmed that only 77 migrants are still residing in Shillong, with details of each of the migrants being provided by the representatives of these three communities.
Those accommodated by the church, by the association. There were about 365 migrants that were reported, and this number was given to us by the concerned community, addressed to the police station, and thereafter it arrived in my office.
Former Education Minister Lakmen Rimboe inaugurated the commerce stream of Nonglang College in Amlaram subdivision, West Jaintia Hills on Tuesday. This initiative was taken by Rimboe during his tenure as Education Minister, in accordance with the guidelines of the National Education Policy (NEP). After 35 years of serving the region, Nonglang College will now offer the Class 11 commerce stream, aiming to bring education closer to the people. Prior to the introduction of the commerce stream, Nonglang College was selected under the People's College as notified on January 9, 2023. This designation will assist the payment of salaries for the 5 teachers in the commerce stream. During his address, Rimboe emphasized the necessity of the CUET, the Common University Entrance Test for final semester degree course students, as it is a prerequisite for further studies.
And every stakeholder has to move the right direction. They have innovated, they have to fulfill many regulations. And I'm very proud that Nonglang College has moved in the right direction, as I said before.
The Centre for Development of Northeastern Region, SEDNA, of the Indian Institute of Management Shillong organized an interaction and consultation with the representatives of Ka Sinjuk Ki Nongsin Shar Shnong Ka Bri U Nutrep, Federation of Traditional Village Leaders of Khasi and Jaintia Hills, Meghalaya, on Tuesday. During the meeting, Director of IIM Shillong, Professor D.P. Goyal, emphasized the importance of forging collaborations and industry partnerships to create a favorable environment for entrepreneurship and job creation. Goyal informed that there are 700 students and faculty colleagues who would like to contribute something for the development of the region.
Thank you so much. Today we have just invited and requested all the devotional people just to have some interaction dialogue with us so that we can understand their aspirations, their expectations from IIM Shillong. Because we are here and our students, they come to a very rigorous, tough test, and there are about 700 students. And our students and all faculty colleagues, they would like to contribute something for the development of this region. So we are just trying to understand their expectations from IIM Shillong. Also, we also wanted to give us our vision that how we are going to do in the next 2-3 years. Like for example, we would now like to be going to all the schools and colleges of this place so that we can really make them aware about that.
The School Managing Committee of Assembly of God Secondary School, CLE, on Wednesday felicitated 7 successful students of the school who secured good positions in the last SSLC examination 2023. The felicitation program was attended by Knoxtown MLA Gabriel Walang as the chief guest. Mementos and prizes were given to the meritorious students. Meanwhile, the headmaster of the school, Reverend Dr. M.S. Nonglang, also submitted a memorandum to the MLA seeking financial assistance for the school. In a first of its kind in the Northeast, NCC cadets organized a parade at Nonglang College campus from July 10th to 12th to celebrate the Meghalaya NCC Festival aimed at personality development of young minds. Cadets from different parts of the state unleashed their passion with NCC during the festivities to spread awareness of the world's largest volunteer youth organization, inspiring teens to march ahead in life with unity and discipline. And a quick look at the weather report now. The maximum temperature recorded was 22 degrees Celsius, the minimum 18.1 degrees Celsius. Relative humidity in the morning was 96%, while that in the evening fell to 85%. 3.6 millimeters of rainfall was recorded. The forecast: light to moderate rain is very likely to occur at a few places. Another look at the headlines before we wind up. Meghalaya Congress holds silent protest in Shillong. Members of Goa Zila Panchayat visits Shillong to study the functioning of ADCs. Out of 365, only 77 displaced Manipuris still residing in Shillong. And IIM Shillong keen on partnering with traditional bodies for job creation. Well, viewers, that's all we have in this edition of the Bulletin. Join us again tomorrow evening for more news and updates.